Hey guys! In my first tutorial I want to show you how I have dyed my new VPfashion hair extensions in a white, silver, greyish color. First of all, I want to show you what I've got in my package. In the box we have a special hanger, a few clips and a bag to store the extensions. I went for the pale blonde clip-in extensions in number 60. To tell you a bit about the extensions itself. They are heat resistant, so you can blow dry and straighten or style them with a curling iron. As you can see, the hair is very soft and silky. My extensions are 160 grams and 20 inches long. We have 8 pieces with 18 clips in each package. One 20 cm weft with 4 clips, one 18 cm weft with 4 clips, two 15 cm wefts with 3 clips each, and 4 5 cm wefts with 1 clip each. A year ago I got another first package of extensions and I have to say the quality has improved a lot already. First of all, you need to wash them with lukewarm water and silver shampoo. I'm using the color-free silver shampoo by the brand Schwarzkopf. It is important that you wash each piece gently to avoid darker or lighter spots. Depending on how strong you want to have the color, leave in the silver shampoo for about 3 or 10 minutes. I left mine in for about 3 minutes. This depends on how strong you want to have the color. Here you can see how it looks like before and after. Do this with all pieces and let them dry overnight. On the next day, it's time to dye the clip-in extensions. What you need for that is a bowl, a brush, the dye. I'm using Nila Color Refresh in black, and a conditioner of your choice. I use All Repair by Balea, which you can get at DM. Then you start mixing lots of conditioner together with around 1 or 2 pumps of the dye. Add as much as you want to achieve the desired color. I started with 1 pump and then later added another pump. This is how my color looks like now. Apply the dye on each hair part. Do this gently and with patience to avoid dark or light spots. Turn them around and do the same on the other side. Repeat that with all other pieces. had to mix a second and a third batch of dye and took another conditioner as mine got empty. So be safe and have 2 or 3 bottles at home to avoid such happenings. My other 2 mixes turned a bit darker also, but that is okay. This will give your hair some pretty highlights. I left my dye in for about 30 minutes. Take your extensions and wash them out gently with lukewarm water. Let them air dry overnight and maybe wait for another day. Once they are completely dry, you can brush them and put them into your hair. This is my hair, how it looks without extensions in. I like to add that my hair is very damaged at the moment. But I use a hair straightener every day and haven't been to a hairdresser since like a couple of years, so it's really time to go to a hairdresser again and to get a fresh cut to match them to the extensions. And this is how it looks afterwards. I'm quite happy with the result overall, especially since I'm not that experienced with extensions. The color is slightly different and a bit darker than my own hair with a warm, golden touch. But it gives a nice gradient. I really hope that you have enjoyed my tutorial. Please leave me a like if this was helpful. Feel free to leave me a comment in case you have any open questions, or simply tell me your impression or opinion. I'm very thankful for your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I wish you a nice day, evening or night, wherever you live. Bye bye guys, I love you all.